Welcome to my channel. My main focus or theme is to create awareness about the importance of animals, whether you're passionate about animals and how they live or simply looking for value of animals. You are at the right place. Join us today. We talk about top 10 intelligent animals. Animal intelligence is hard to pin down because intelligence takes different forms. Examples of types of intelligence include language comprehension, self-recognition, cooperation, altruism, problem-solving, and mathematics skills. It's easy to recognize intelligence in other primates, but there are many other species that may be smarter than you think. Here are some of the most intelligent. 1. Ravens and crows. The entire corvid family of birds is clever. The group includes magpies, jays, ravens, and crows. These birds are the only non-primate vertebrates that invent their own tools. Crows recognize human faces, communicate complex concepts with other crows, and think about the future. Many experts compare crow intelligence to that of a 7-year-old human child. Ravens have similar cognitive abilities to adult apes and can mimic human speech. Meanwhile, crows are happier when using tools and are able to recognize human faces. Ravens and crows are indeed incredibly intelligent birds, exhibiting a range of behaviors that demonstrate their cognitive abilities. Problem-solving skills. Ravens and crows are adept problem solvers. They can figure out how to obtain food from complex puzzles and challenges in experiments. They've shown the ability to use tools, manipulate objects, and even work collaboratively to achieve goals. Memory. These birds have excellent memories. They can remember where they've hidden food, recognize individual humans and other animals, and recall specific locations for extended periods. 2. Chimpanzees. Chimps are our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, so it's unsurprising they display intelligence similar to that of humans. Chimps fashion spears and other tools, display a wide range of emotions, and recognize themselves in a mirror. Chimps can learn sign language to communicate with humans. Their intelligence is evident in various aspects of their behavior and cognitive abilities. Tool use and tool making. Chimpanzees are known to use and even manufacture tools for various purposes. They use sticks to extract termites from mounds, stones to crack open nuts, and leaves as sponges to soak up water for drinking. Some populations have even been observed modifying tools for specific tasks, demonstrating a level of innovation and problem-solving ability. Complex problem solving. Chimpanzees exhibit remarkable problem-solving skills in laboratory settings. They can solve puzzles, navigate mazes, and even use computers to complete tasks. They demonstrate the ability to understand cause and effect relationships, plan ahead, and learn from their mistakes. 3. Elephants. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal. The cortex of an elephant's brain has as many neurons as a human brain. Elephants have exceptional memories, cooperate with each other, and demonstrate self-awareness like primates and birds. They engage in play. Their intelligence is evident in various aspects of their behavior and cognitive abilities. Complex social structures. Elephants live in tight-knit family groups led by a matriarch, often consisting of related females and their offspring. They exhibit complex social behaviors, forming strong bonds with each other and displaying empathy and compassion towards members of their group. They also engage in cooperative behaviors, such as caring for injured or sick individuals and protecting calves. 4. Gorillas. Like humans and chimps, gorillas are primates. The gorilla named Coco became famous for learning sign language and caring for a pet cat. Gorillas can form original sentences to communicate with humans and understand the use of symbols to represent objects and more complex concepts. Gorillas are highly intelligent animals, exhibiting a range of behaviors and cognitive abilities that demonstrate their intelligence. Emotional intelligence. Gorillas are highly emotional animals, capable of experiencing a wide range of emotions including joy, sadness, and fear. They exhibit behaviors such as hugging, grooming, and playing, which are indicative of strong emotional bonds within their social groups. They also display empathy towards distressed individuals, offering comfort and support. Cognitive flexibility. Gorillas demonstrate cognitive flexibility, allowing them to adapt to changing environments and situations. They can learn new tasks and behaviors quickly, both in the wild and in captivity. This ability to adapt is essential for their survival in their often challenging forest habitats. Self-awareness. Gorillas have demonstrated self-awareness in mirror tests, indicating an understanding of their own bodies and existence as individuals. 5. Dolphins. Dolphins and whales are at least as smart as birds and primates. Dolphins and whales are mammals. A dolphin has a large brain relative to its body size. The cortex of a human brain is highly convoluted, but a dolphin brain has even more folds. Dolphins and their kin are the only marine animals that have passed the mirror test of self-awareness. Overall, the intelligence of dolphins is evident in their complex social structures, problem-solving skills, communication abilities, occasional tool use, emotional intelligence, cognitive flexibility, and adaptability. These cognitive abilities contribute to their survival in diverse marine environments and make them one of the most fascinating species on Earth. 6. Pigs. Pigs solve mazes, understand and display emotions, and understand symbolic language. Piglets grasp the concept of reflection at a younger age than humans. 6-week-old piglets that see food in a mirror can work out where the food is located. In contrast, it takes human babies several months to understand reflection. Pigs also understand abstract representations and can apply this skill to play video games using a joystick. They possess an excellent long-term memory and are quick to learn from both positive and negative experiences. Studies have shown that pigs can navigate mazes, distinguish between different objects, and even play simple video games with commendable accuracy. 7. Octopuses. While we're most familiar with intelligence in other vertebrates, some invertebrates are incredibly clever. The octopus has the largest brain of any invertebrate, yet 3/5 of its neurons are actually in its arms. The octopus is the only invertebrate that uses tools. An octopus named Otto was known to throw rocks and spray water at the bright overhead lights of his aquarium in order to short them out. Octopuses have demonstrated intelligence in a number of ways, says John. In experiments, they've solved mazes and completed tricky tasks to get food rewards. They're also adept at getting themselves in and out of containers. There are also intriguing anecdotes about octopuses' abilities and mischievous behavior. 8. Parrots. Parrots are thought to be as smart as a human child. These birds solve puzzles and also understand the concept of cause and effect. The Einstein of the parrot world is the African gray, a bird known for its astounding memory and ability to count. African gray parrots can learn an impressive number of human words and use them in context to communicate with people, as many of us learned in years past from studies conducted by Irene Pepperberg and her beloved colleague Alex. Parrots demonstrate sophisticated problem-solving abilities. They can communicate their desires, they can count, add and subtract, and remarkably, they even understand the concept of zero. 9. Dogs. Man's best friend uses its intelligence to relate to humans. Dogs understand emotions, show empathy, and understand symbolic language, according to canine intelligence expert Stanley Coren. The average dog understands around 165 human words. However, they can learn many more. A border collie named Chaser demonstrated understanding of 1022 words. An analysis of his vocabulary was published in the February 2011 issue of the Behavioral Processes journal. Dogs display many behaviors associated with intelligence. They have advanced memory skills and are able to read and react appropriately to human body language, such as gesturing and pointing, and to understand human voice commands. 10. Raccoons. Aesop's fable of the crow and the pitcher could have been written about a raccoon. Researchers at the USDA National Wildlife Center and the University of Wyoming gave raccoons a pitcher of water containing marshmallows and some pebbles in order to reach the marshmallows. The raccoons had to raise the water level. Half of the raccoons figured out how to use pebbles to get the treat. Another simply found a way to knock over the pitcher. In fact, they often score nearly as high as monkeys on intelligence tests. In one experiment, raccoons were consistently able to learn how to pick a complex lock in fewer than 10 attempts. Raccoons are also notoriously good at picking locks and can remember solutions to problems for 3 years. Thanks for watching.